Should also go to the next category, which is eyeliner. So my favorite eyeshadow, my favorite eyeliner is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner. It has the brush tip. It's really good and true to the color, intense black. Is the only liquid eyeliner that I can use lining my eyes without pulling my eye. I can do the wing, I can go easily in the inner corner and lining the entire lid without helping with the other hand. It's something magical, and this I basically didn't purchase myself. It came in a set. I bought some Clinique products from Look Fantastic, and this was coming together with a mascara and 2 skincare products. So this is how I met, but I really love it, and I think it's a dupe for the Physicians Formula, which is also one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. I heard that it's discontinued, sadly. I also finished mine. It is on the empties video that I will probably have it also in the beginning of 2019. But yeah, this and the Physicians Formula eyeliner are quite similar. This is a bit more intense on the color. I would like to mention a eyeliner, a kohl eyeliner. Is from Urban Decay in the shade Rockstar. It's kind of purpley burgundy shade. I'm using either on the waterline or also in upper lid if I want to have more smoke and more diffused shade. I will just add this and I will smudge it with a smudge brush, and I really enjoy this kind of the look on the days when I don't have so heavy makeup like I have today. So this is good. All Urban Decay 24/7 pencils are good, even for lips or for eyes. My favorite mascara from a drugstore, it is the Maybelline Lash Sensational one. However, I don't have it with me, but I have used it. I think I used 2 tubs for this year. But what I could find as a dupe and much better is the Le Volume de Chanel. This mascara, guys, I'm wearing today. I don't know if you can tell. I got it like 1.5 months. It is a sample. It's not a travel size. It is a sample, and it's still not dried out. I'm still getting something of it, and I don't have any problem to apply it on my lashes, which is really fantastic. And maybe I'm thinking to purchase the full size. I have another sample size, and I have a lot of other mascara on my drawers, but I'm really seriously thinking to get the full size mascara sometime. So yeah, Chanel Le Volume, it's really fantastic. Also Catrice Glam and Doll False Lashes Mascara. I don't care about this on my upper lashes, doesn't do anything, even though it doesn't clump. So this is really good, but I use it for my lower lashes. So for this is really good. If you want a good mascara for your lower lashes, this is good. But for upper lashes, I don't feel does it do anything. Doesn't give me volume, doesn't give me a length. It's just like if I want to have a natural mascara day, then I will use this one. If not, I will just go to Maybelline or to this Chanel one. Brows. Of course, I cannot pass another year without mentioning the Anastasia Wizz. I have it in the shade Taupe. This is a really good brow pencil. Everybody and their grandmother are using this and I love it. Also, I love the Maybelline Micro Brow Pencil. It's not quite a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills because this is more intense, is not so waxy. However, I enjoy usually lining the lower part of the brows, because here I want to have more definition. So I use this usually on this part, and then I go with Anastasia and I will define the upper part and the end of the brows. And also the brow gel from Benefit is called brow pomade, sorry, from Benefit. I have it in the shade 02. It's a bit lighter for me. And also I love using the brush that is coming with it. It's a really good size brush, and it's fitting on the jar. I feel that most of the brow brushes that I have are a bit bigger, so this is perfect for this jar. I have it also in travel size. Lastly, for brows, I'm loving this Pêche eyebrow styling gel. I have it in the shade 010 light. I'm using this from 2017. It's still good, it doesn't dry out. I bought mine from German drugstore. You cannot find it anywhere else because this is in-house DM brand, and this is one of the best mascara for brows that I could find. My favorite bronzer of 2018, it is the E.L.F contour powder. You can tell that it's well loved. It's in the shade St.Lucia, so I hit pan, but this is really good for adding a warmth to your face. And for contouring, of course, I love my Makeup Forever self-made contour and blushing kit. I mostly use the contour powder because the blush has a bit of a shimmer. It's somehow similar with the Orgasm from NARS, but this is more peachy, but they have the same satin finish. I prefer my blush to be more matte because of the problems that I have on this area. I don't want that shimmer accentuate more the large pores. So yeah, I really love this contour shade. For the blusher, I want to mention, I'm not such a big blush person, but I enjoy using those two blushes from Sephora. It doesn't have any name, but usually what I do, I combine those two, and it gives me the perfect shade for my blusher, because I don't like my blush to be either too pink or either too peachy. So this is the perfect combination. Peach and pink give me the perfect combination for my blusher. And highlighter, I love the Mary Luminizer highlighter from the Balm Cosmetics. I think I finished with the face. We only left the lips. I will start with the lip liners. My favorite lip liner from all times, it is the Gerard Cosmetics on the shade Bel Air. It is my most neutral. It is one shade darker than my natural lip color, and I can use this with any type of the lipstick I want. I have another backup, I have another full product, but I'm still trying to get as much as I can from this one. I also love the Revlon Color Stay in shade Mauve. This has though a bit of a shimmery finish and is a bit more browny than the Gerard Cosmetics. Also, I love NYX lip liner shade SPL 860, I believe. This is more nude of all of these. No, it's not so nude, it's more, I think it's quite similar with the Gerard Cosmetics, just is a bit more toward coral. So it's this one. And the last is more corally toward pink. The Urban Decay in the shade Weirdo. So the last one is the Urban Decay. The most loved formula have those two, the Urban Decay and the Gerard Cosmetics, a more creamy and more how to say, long-lasting formula. Lipstick. I will start with the liquid lipstick. The most comfortable liquid lipstick formula I could find is the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte. I mostly use the one in a shade called Serenity. It's a really good match for the lip liner. Maybe I should also add the lip liner on the top to understand what I'm talking about. So here is the lip liner and here is the lipstick. I find this Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick formula doesn't dry out my lips, is long lasting, is comfortable, and it fades out really nice, doesn't remove in patches like other lipsticks that I have, like for example I think Anastasia Beverly Hills is one that is doing like this, and I also have this from a long time. Maybe I should consider replacing with a new one. And also I have in a shade Skinny Dip. This is more cool. And also I want to add a mention for the Sephora lip stain. These are really good. And also what is nice, they have a vanilla scent. This is in the shade 05. It's a bit shimmery, but it's really good for everyday look. One more category, this is a lipstick. My favorite lipstick. Let's start with a red color. My favorite red lipstick is the Sephora. Is this one. I got it with a Sephora favorites kit and I really enjoy it since then. I also love my NARS Audacious lipsticks. My all-time favorite shade is Anita. This much is what I have left. It's my perfect nude shade. Here you can tell the color. But I think this is the most sold shade from the Audacious lipstick from NARS. And also I have the Audrey, which is more berry type of a shade. But this is really good formula and it is somehow comparable with Chanel Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme. This I like because you press here and you open your lipstick, is more fancy. It's really similar with the Anita. You can see I have it on the top. The single difference between NARS and Chanel is the price. I think this is over $40. Meanwhile, NARS are 36 or so. My everyday lipstick is one that I haven't spoke yet on my channel. It's from Kevyn Aucoin. It's in the shade Telmadora Rosy Nude. It looks like this. Also has a nice scent. It's not vanilla, but is somehow between fruit and floral. It's more creamy, has a bit of a sheen, a really bit of a sheen. I'm wearing it today. It is my lips color but better, and this really good lipstick. And of course I cannot pass without mentioning the YSL Rouge Volupté Shine in a shade 34. This is more coral shade, but also it's really hydrating. It's not long wearing, but it's really hydrating, and I'm mostly using this during the summer. The scent is some mango scent, I came to know. It's really lovely, so I'm thinking to purchase more shades of this. YSL lipstick just to keep it on my vanity. And the last lipstick I discovered this year is from Bobbi Brown. It's called Crushed Lip Color in the shade Babe. So this one is more rosy. Also, I love the finish, the wearability. It's fading really nice, like all the other lipsticks I've talked about. Also, doesn't give you strange lines. I will quick mention my blending brush, which is the Zoeva 228 crease brush. Sadly, this brush is discontinued. They have now the bamboo, which is like in a shape is most similar, but their normal 228 is called Luxe Crease, is this one. The texture, this is more stiff. I feel that it's a bit pitching my lids. Doesn't blend the eyeshadow like this one. This is really soft. I have it from 4 or 5 years, and I would, if they would release it again, I would buy like 10 of these, because if I only have this crease brush, I will be happy. I don't need any other crease brush in my life if I'll have 10 of this. I love this BH Cosmetics 137 brush to apply my foundation. Usually I spread the foundation with this brush, and then I go to my beauty blender, which is also one of my favorite stuff from 2018. So those two together, and this is really good for applying the stick foundation. I find that I prefer to apply my stick foundation with this brush. This contour brush from Body and Soul. I love to apply my contour powder, and of course the Real Techniques blush brush. And last but not least, I love my Chibo heated eyelash curler. I think I have this from more than 4 years. Basically you press here and the button, it will tell you that it's warming up, and I feel that I have more volume and length on my lashes when I'm using this. I will wrap up this video here. Probably this is the last video that I will publish for 2018. So those being said, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also comment in the comment section if one or more of those products were your favorites for 2018. I would really love to hear from you, and see you next year. Bye bye!